Alright, so I realized yesterday how easy it is to do my approximation of pi construction by hand. You don't even need fucking tools for this. Alright, so we're going to set up our distance here. This is our base distance that we're working with. Okay, going to cut that in half. Going to cut those in half. So this is not perfect because I'm not doing like a proper construction, but they're gonna be decent. It's gonna be decent. Alright, I'm gonna lay in the perpendicular here is about as good as I can. Okay, now from here I'm gonna come up at a 45-degree angle as best I can. Here as well, I don't need to go that far on this one. At this intersection I drop in another perpendicular. Here I want to bisect this angle roughly, right there. This is what I want to go vertically here. So this distance here, right there, that's roughly, if this is 1, this is square root of 2, pretty much, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a line through here and here. Straight line, as straight as I can get. Now I'm going to bisect this and drop a line that goes through here. And these guys should intersect just a little bit on this side of that line over there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bisect this guy. And I want to go through this point and this point here. That's curvy. There we go. That's the kind of distance that I'm looking for. Alright, so it's like right there. So I want this distance there. So, let's see. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is pi. There you go. Not sure why that 4 is invisible. Yeah, that's how the construction works. And if you do that properly with tools, it'll be far more accurate. But even this is already pretty good. So if I drop in just kind of like a random perpendicular up here somewhere, and I take from here through there, and from here through here, this is now a gauge for, if this is your diameter, this will be your circumference. So drop in any perpendicular line where it hits this line, that'll be the diameter of your circle, and where it hits this line, that'll be the circumference of your circle. So you can get like on this line here, that's going to be your diameter, that's your circumference. And if we drop in a line up here, your diameter is here, your circumference is over here, and it'll be consistent. So like this is actually useful for like doing some shop work and stuff like that. And it's more accurate than 22/7. It's way better than like using 17 decimals of pi in a calculator and then being like, oh, how many millimeters is that? Like, no, this is way better than both of those methods.